let's go ahead and pull up Genesis shop next. All right. So Genesis has Northside Design 3D. All right. She's got custom 3D printing for your budget. And you're welcome, Christine. Buyers are raving. This shop got multiple 5-star reviews in the past 7 days. Alrighty, that's awesome. So let's check it out. 1,168 sales. Genesis is doing a great job as well. And she has got some unique items going on here. Ooh, let's check this one out. Godzilla. I think Godzilla is so cool. Godzilla can mug. Oh, look at that. Okay. Thank you, Genesis. We've got, that's cool. I've never seen this before. I didn't know you could do that. Primary color. I wonder when they added this. Look at this little thing. Brown, yellow. That color thing is new. It is new. That's cool. Curious. So how does that actually work? So it's a 3D printed, a 3D printed mug. What in the world? That's so cool. So this is a mug? Man, this thing is huge. Looks like a giant mug. Hex. Yeah, it's like a koozie. Okay. Wow, that's so cool. So there we go. Zoom in a little bit. There we go. So we could see what it looks like there. That thing looks like it's going to swallow the whole mug. Okay, so what I would recommend. Okay, there we go. There we go. We got a photo with the mug, the can in there, because I was thinking, this is going to get swallowed up. I don't know how you're going to fit a can in there, but now I see it a little bit better now that I've got some perspective on it. And then we got it this way. That is cool. All right. How do you make this? Do you buy the style or the print? That is so cool. Okay, so you buy the print. Interesting. Now, okay, I will say this one looks like it's painted or something. And your version, this one looks like it's got like some paint or like a this or a that. And the version you made doesn't look quite as like the same detail. So that's a 3D render. Okay. So I would recommend your photos. I would recommend taking them in a more staged environment. This one, looks like it's like on your back porch or something like that. And, you've got your yard in the background. So I think it would be better to kind of stage it a little bit and put it on like a table or something like that. It's still so cool. You're going to make it click either way. But if it looked a little bit more professional, a little bit more staged, like, I don't know, what's the kind of person that wants this, maybe, if it's on something else. Let's see, the Galaxy mug. Where is the Galaxy mug? Let's search your shop, see if I can find this Galaxy. This one? Can Mugs Galaxy Collection. Here we go. So let's check this one out. So there it is with oh, cool. There we go. Interesting. A lot of different items, a lot of different options. Here we go. This one, we've got the unpainted version. Now, that's the other question I would have is, do you paint these? Like, how does this show up? Because, yeah, of course, this one, the Darth Maul version, is going to have to be painted. This is a 3D printed soda mug shaped like character from a galaxy far away to keep your drink cool. All right. Painted or unpainted. Okay, great. Style: Luke, Vader, Obi-Wan, Chewie, Tauntaun, Maul. So I don't understand. You should use the keyword Star Wars in there. This is a definitely a Star Wars. This is all Star Wars characters. So I would put in your keywords up here. I would put Star Wars mug, Star Wars beer koozie, Star Wars fan art, Star Wars cup, Star Wars mug, a whole bunch of those different keywords in there to help match up with those type of people. Is there some copyright issues using the Star Wars name? I don't know. I don't know how it works exactly. I bet you if we search Star Wars mug, we're probably going to find a bunch of stuff. Star Wars mug, 10,400 results. So let's see here. If we click on this one, Space Child, it doesn't look like they actually have Star. No, they have Star Wars. So I don't really know. I don't know how it works when you using stuff like that, Star Wars. If you're using Disney or this or that, I'm not sure. I don't know if you'll get away with it. I don't know if you're going to get in trouble. I don't really know how it works. Disney are strict. I got an email from them saying you have to state it's inspired and not affiliated. Okay. And it looks like you've kind of got that detailed cover down here with your legal notice saying this is inspired but not affiliated. I think you could still use the Star Wars keywords in your listing title. But I don't know. I'm not an expert on the matter. You should probably contact somebody at Etsy to get a definitive answer. You could put Star Wars up here, and you could also include all the different character names, Obi-Wan Kenobi and Darth Vader and so on and so on. And, if you get in trouble with it, Etsy, like you said, Etsy removed your Fortnite. What if you go ahead and use those keywords in there? Maybe you get it removed. Maybe nothing happens and it gets fine. But you can always find out, obviously you use Godzilla, you use King Kong and Predator. So there's always one way to find out. Give it a try, use it. And if you get in trouble, maybe they take it down. I don't know if you're at risk of getting your whole shop shut down, but it's hard to tell. Now let's see this one. Very cool. Yeah, but I think your products are definitely really cool. Finish, painted, or unpainted. Now on this one, I'm a bit confused. So what I'm confused, Predator can mug, right? I would want to buy it and I'd want it to look like this. This looks cool. Okay. Yes, these are koozies. I think koozies would be the better word. Now this one, here's the challenge I see with this one is if I bought this, I'd want it to look like this, right? But I don't know which color to choose because you're giving me all of these colors to choose from. I wouldn't know. What if I choose gray and I chose it to be painted, or should I choose green and choose for it to be painted? So I don't know that your color options are really doing the best thing for you over here in that situation. And maybe some people are going to want it in blue, but I think most people are going to want it to look like that first picture. The same thing like this Godzilla version. I'd want it to look like this. I wouldn't buy it, and I would never buy it in the blue color because I wouldn't want it to be blue. I want it to look like that. So offering them in all these different colors, I don't know if that's necessarily your best bet. Maybe you could offer one of these listings, just as your different, just as the original color or default color, because I don't know how to pick this default color. My guess would probably be to choose white and then choose for it to be painted. But hard to tell. So something you want to clear up there. And of course, more than anybody whether you're getting these purchases in, these different colors here, base color. But if somebody wants it to look like this photo, what do they choose? What is the color that they choose? And maybe you could just put it in the description to do this and do that. Hey, pick this, this color and paint it if you want it to look like the original. So great looking shop. I think the details of the what's the colors are and stuff is a little bit confusing. In order to actually get it to look like the two things, maybe two separate listings, that could be a good idea. But I do think you could put more keywords on most of these. What is this? Wall compatible 1.5 inch clipper guard. Okay. This is your bestseller, the Clipper Guard? Is that what you said? That's so funny. Of course, she's selling all these cool things and people just want to buy Clipper Guards. Wow, that's amazing. $19,000 last year selling Clipper Guards. Good job. That's awesome. Not as cool as the Godzilla mug, but I guess it's a lot more practical, you know? Last thing I would say on your unique items is just add more keywords and, you know, get more keywords on there.